Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the GillenMarkets Canary Wharf Squash Classic Final in this, our 20th anniversary season. And a great match will be taking place in this magnificent cathedral of squash. First of all, from Wales, a player who is performing at the peak of his powers this week. He's already beaten the world #1 and the world #2. Please welcome Makin. His opponent from New Zealand is our #4 seed. He's won here twice already. He is the British Open champion. He is the Commonwealth Games champion, Coll.
Whoa, goodness me, that was a full-on call from the Golden Tiger.
Yeah, just looks a little edgy. Start this game, Joel Makin carrying on from where he left off. Momentum fully with him this week, and he'll want to use that at the start of this match. As I said, that's a fantastic winner.
5-1.
Cutting the ball into the front. Simple, but so effective. A very quick 5-1 lead. And again.
This really is, I mean, he's come out with the broadsword here, Joel Makin, straight into the front line.
Just missing that attempted nick. Just caught nick there, Joel Makin. Still being positive when he can. Oh, great court coverage from Coll.
And out.
Crowd fully invested in this. That's just a bit extra there. There's a little bit of a change in the wrist. Well, Daryl, the last rally that we kind of lost our timings on was only 2 minutes, which again would have killed off.
Oh,
Got up, thank you.
The whole squash fraternity. And Joel Makin has put in a shot.
9-4.
Looks like he's practiced this all day long. I mean, there's no way you'd have been able to play a shot like that a year ago.
Stroke to Makin. 11-7. Game to Makin.
Well, the stroke goes.
Makin
Rob Owens out of his
leads.
seat very quickly to go into the corner of his charge. 20 minutes in duration. Joel Makin will be happy with that. He's done well here. He's within 2 points after that early lead from Coll. That has been ripped out. That was ripped out.
4-5.
Made that look easy, Darryl. You know fully well when you've got those balls that are coming at you awkwardly, to improvise like that is impressive.
he's got it.
I don't know how he's dug that out. He's back on his feet. It's Makin that slips. Coll produced some dives against Farag yesterday, and again, 2 counter drops in a row from Coll.
Starting to open up again, Makin. A lot more positive in his hitting. I say, Joey, it's a bit milder today, with all the crowd in there as well. It is warm in the arena. Both players sweat a lot. Makin getting himself right back in this second game.
I mean, to actually crunch the ball past Coll in that manner, he's
7.
nodded the head, and I don't blame him. Oh, looking pressing. I mean, he literally flew out to the tee, Makin there. He's putting himself on the front line, as I say, doesn't want to leave himself too exposed and then sacrifice accuracy, Makin.
He's going to ask there and just change his mind.
There's the guess, and that's always so reassuring. As you know,
10-6.
Daryl, your opponent hedges his bets, goes the wrong way. The Kiwi responding. He's got 4 game balls to equalise. And he's done it there. Good move for that one. So Joel Makin is certainly starting to feel the physical effects. Needs to change up the rhythm slightly and explore the front wall a bit more, just exaggerate it slightly on the backhand side, a bit higher and a bit tighter into the sideball and really slow. Coll sends up another lob. You know, he's trying to out-hit Coll, and ball for me, he's not really doing any damage to the Kiwi. He's just nicely set off the tee and just split-stepping away, and he can do that all day long. That's better. That was better. I mean, that's how good it has to be.
Yeah, that was extremely tight.
1-3.
On that forehand side. Just showing a nice bit of grit and determination. Better quality now. Good variation again. This is better from Joel Makin. Much better squash.
3-4.
It's that forehand front corner that's open out for Makin.
It was a miss hit with a lot of spin on. I feel like Coll's the happier of the two with these types of rallies, Joey.
Yeah, he's looking a lot more balanced on the shots. Joel Makin, who is an outrageous athlete, being slightly more stretched. Coll's appealing that out of court on the right-hand wall. His rally goes on, and he's won it anyway. Now Joel Makin's appealing a possible pickup.
Saw the pickup good.
Joel Makin looked straight away from that one, and Paul Coll can believe it. But anyway, he's tied it up. Well, that's very nicely tied. It's a loose ball, but good soft hands for Coll. He's looking relaxed. He is looking relaxed. He's got a nice, really nice rhythm with this ball. Kiwi. Just really balanced. He's not out of position at all. The balance and poise on the shots from Coll is looking so much better. As he asked,
no surprise here, Joey. A lengthy rally to start this fourth game. Great movement.
oh, that's tidy. Very, very tidy from the Kiwi.
1 love.
I mean, he does look really relaxed. Let's look at his body position there. He's been putting them in beautifully. I mean, he's working tremendously hard. He's not getting much change out of it, though. For his investment here, Joel Makin under pressure, and it's Coll looking so slick. Good patience, waiting for the right opportunity.
3 love.
Licking the wounds at the moment for the Golden Tiger. Oh, he's launched one in. He's launched one in. The crowd are desperate to see him get into this 4th game. Outright winner, slightly loose ball from Coll, which is pretty unbelievable considering he's pretty much hit every single shot with quality. And there, oh, he's coming. He's coming. The Golden Tiger's coming. He's coming. He's rebounding off the ropes, Daryl. He's
3-7.
rebounding. Oh, he's dived, he's got it!
And what a lob with it. He
Well,
wants to stop.
Yeah, there's a giant skid mark.
He's not stopping it.
No, Jason Foster's
Court
not
service,
stopped. Oh, he's just...
Stop, because the ball went into the area.
I mean,
No,
it's,
no.
it's...
The play was able to continue until it moved back into the area. Court service, please. Safety, safety.
That was a great rally. There's the counter. Look at that. He gets it. He's back up so quickly.
Oh, that's quick.
Oh, that was a great rally. What a rally.
Hand out.
Brilliant rally.
4-10.
Explosive movement from Coll. And then look at that.
Championship
Joel
ball.
Makin. That's a forehand volley and a half. Still 6 championship balls for the Kiwi. These two players played an outrageous Commonwealth Games gold medal match in Birmingham in the summer last year. It was Coll that took that one, and he looks
No
like
net.
he's taken this one. There's the celebration from Coll. Terrific stuff from the Kiwis, back on track.
11-4.
Good words there from Joel Makin, and that's what we want to see again. A hard-fought squash match, hardly any decisions, free-flowing, but played at the utmost respect. 83 minutes, 28 minutes for the 4th game with only 15 points scored, 11-4 there.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome on court our champion for a 3rd time, Paul Coll. Brilliant, Paul. Please lift it high.
I was struggling a bit, to be honest, mentally, after, black ball, last 5 months. Haven't felt myself on court, so it was a big week for me to I was just trying to find myself on court, find my game that got me to number 1, and this week was huge for me, and it's just I owe it all to my whole team. So many people that got me going and got me going in the right direction last week, and this tournament was fully for them. Today, actually, to be honest, when I woke up this morning, I thought, I'm gonna do this for them. Everyone who put a lot of time into me and made sure I was okay and picked me up. It's some dark times on tour, so this is one of the best feelings I've had ever, to be honest. It's a really cool win for me and a huge milestone.